Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 2015 Honda Ridgeline, and this is new for 2026, and this is by Matchbox, and this is from their main line. So I bought this for 179. Yeah, so that is the MRP, and let's unbox this. Okay, let me showcase you one more thing, guys. I bought a couple of new knives, so this is one among them. I really like the paint job on this one, so I bought it. So it's a skeleton with two guns. It looks really neat. So this is the first time I'm using this knife. So let's see how it actually is. That is pretty sharp. Okay, let me put this aside. I don't want to cut my hand. I think Matchbox reduced a couple of things in quality aspect. I want to check it out personally with by myself. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks really good. I mean, it is a bit heavy and it looks really solid, and it does have again some paint job issues you can see in the roof here, and even a little bit of paint job issues here, the hood. Man, I don't know, I was really happy about Matchbox because they actually give headlight and taillight details, but they removed here. So I don't think we have a taillight detail here. We are supposed to have a taillight detail here. Okay, usually this logo means we have some kind of super chase kind of thing, but I'm not sure if this is a super chase. But it still has this Matchbox logo here. Do let me know in comments if this is a chase or super chase or whatever it is. I didn't see that in the box actually. I mean, anything like usually it actually says something like super chase, something like that. But here nothing is mentioned. And even though if it is a chase or super chase, it doesn't have that headlight detailing which I'm looking for. Because think about it, you are going to keep a car like this and it doesn't have a Honda logo here or a headlight detail here, nothing. But apart from that, let's talk about rest of the things. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. So this part here, including the lights here and everything, this part is plastic. It does have good amount of detailing here. So this tire piece here, this is metal. So this is actually molded along with the body here. So it does look really good. I'm really uh, I don't know, I have sad, I can say, they missed out this headlight detailing, because this looks really blunt. It is like a person without a face. He has a good physique and everything, but he doesn't have a he doesn't have eyes, nose, and mouth. I mean, the entire facial features, it looks similar to that. Even there is one character in DC, if I'm not wrong, in that specific aspect. I totally forgot that guy's name, but there is a character. Let's weigh this casting. 42 grams, not bad for a main line. It is really neat. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, I just made some changes in my setup, so it is a bit hard for me to do certain things now. So I need it takes some time for me to get myself adapted to it. It does roll good. Compared to Hot Wheels, Matchbox are rolling really well. I'm really happy about it. But do let me know about this particular thing, whether it's a chase or not. See, I really don't mind about that, whether it's a chase or not a chase. But since it has this logo here, I just want to know. That's it. Okay, so let's rate this casting. Again, I'm taking 2 points out of 10 because see, rest everything I would neglect, but they missed that Honda logo here. I mean, that's that's something I personally don't like, because a car needs to have a badge, right? It doesn't have that. So 8 out of 10. But apart from that, casting wise, it's a solid casting. It rolls really well. So if you personally love trucks just like me, for the sake of collecting, you can buy this. And if you are a person who customizes things, so you can put some headlight details on it and you can call it a day, and it would look really nice. I mean, since it's a heavy casting and it feels really good. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.